Welcome to the home of .me domains. We're here to answer all your questions.
Doing business online is awesome, but are you branding it in a proper way? Here are the 3 ways of using a domain name to grow your online brand. Meet Diego, a freelance graphic designer. He was struggling to get noticed by clients. The competition was fierce, and his LinkedIn profile just wouldn't cut it. He needed to step up his branding game, so he made a decision to build his own place on the internet to showcase his work, share his thoughts, and brand his communication. And it all starts with a domain name, diegogracia.me. Sounds great! Number 1. Create a personal website. Diego knew that having a website with his own portfolio will give him a head start with clients, but he didn't know how to code. He had to choose a platform that allowed him to build a beautiful website without any coding skills. Luckily, he had Squarespace, Wix, Ionis, and many others to choose from. Diego used his online portfolio to show his clients who he really is. He included a short resume and testimonials to back it up, and contact information to seal the deal. Number 2. Forward visitors. Your domain name looks great on business cards. Even without a website, your domain name can be used to forward visitors to your social media accounts. Until his website was finished, Diego forwarded his domain to his Behance portfolio. Number 3. Custom email address. Diego created his first email address in high school. Now, BieberFan420@yahoo.com didn't seem quite trustworthy and professional. Diego now uses info@diegogracia.me, support@diegogracia.me, and office@diegogracia.me. It looks great on business cards and implies professionalism. It's your turn. Level up your personal brand. It all starts with a domain name. Register your .me today.